Hey everyone, RJ here, back with another video, and today I'll be doing an unboxing and review of the new ONN Groove wireless earphones. Alright, so I picked up the new ONN Grooves wireless earphones at Walmart.com. The price is around $40, somewhere along in there. If I remember, I'll leave a link down below in the description where you can find these at. And if you look at them here by the box, they look a lot like the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. So kind of like a clone to those, I guess. Now open up the flap here, you will see there is the wireless charging case and the buds up there. You will see that it comes with the charging case, of course the earbuds, the ear tips, and the USB-C charging cable. Now look at the back here, just at some of the specification. You have active noise cancellation and ambient sound modes. Bluetooth technology streams audio from all your devices, high def sound, up to 33 foot of wireless range. And down here it tells you, active noise cancellation and ambient sound modes, high def sound with deep bass and clear treble, music sharing, built-in microphone, up to 6 hours of playtime per charge, plus 24 hours of total playtime without turning on active noise cancellation. These are IPX5 water resistant. They do have in-ear detection and touch controls, and earbuds do individually connect to device. So that's really nice. Let's go ahead and pull them out of the box. Okay, so right here we have the little charging case here. Very compact, very lightweight. And here we got the earbuds themselves. We'll pop those out there as well. And under this, you will see where you have your USB Type-C charging cable, very short cable there, and all of your ear tips. Okay, so everything's put away, and all you see there is the earbuds and the inside the charging case. So I'm going to read some stuff off the manual here just to give you an idea of what these earbuds can do. So I'll make this as fast as possible. Now these do have in-ear detection, so both earphones will auto pause when you remove them from your ears. Now as far as music goes, you can play or pause by tapping once, go to previous track by tapping 3 times. Now for Siri and Google Assistant, you tap and hold for 1.5 seconds. Also, if you want to go to the ambient sound or active noise cancellation, you hold down for 1.5 seconds to activate that or to reject a incoming call. And for next track or answer and hang up is ×2. Now, this does have music sharing. If you got 2 sets of these earbuds, you tap 4 times L of set A to music share, and tap 4 times R of set B for music to follow. A little confusing. If you buy a pair of these, just read the manual, okay? For charging your earphones, you just drop the earphones back in the case, close it, and the LED indicator will flash twice. It's USB-C, and it is wireless charging compatible. So yeah, a little confusing just by me telling you what and everything does, from the manual. If you buy a pair of these, just hold on to your manual. So anyway, here's the little charging case. It is wireless charging on the back, USB Type-C. Now when we open up the lid, you will see that they are now in pairing mode. They will flash red and blue, just like that. So for this case, we're going to bring in the Xiaomi Mi 11T. And we're going to see just how they work on here. So we're going to go into the settings. And I'm going down here to Bluetooth. You'll see right there, it's looking for available devices. I will just open the lid. And as soon as I open them, boom, there they are. Tap to pair. Pair. Connected that fast. Alright, so let's go ahead right here. We'll pop both of these out. Just like this right here. Okay, we'll go ahead and shut the case back up here and get that out of the way. Let me go ahead and just kind of pop these in my ears, and I'll go ahead and give you a sound, or tell you how these things sound. So let's go ahead here. And they fit very comfortably as well. I mean, you can pop them in your ears and you just forget that they're there. I mean, they sound really good. Tapping down here for 1.5 seconds goes to ambient sound. So I can hear everything going on around me. Everything opened up. Sounds good. Let's go back into ANC. So noise canceling works very well. Not the best in the world, but it does do okay. Now let's go ahead and bring something here on YouTube. All right, so we got this no copyright sound here pulled up. I got the volume near max full. As you can see right there, now it's on max. I'm gonna knock it down a notch. And I'm going to kind of start this off where the beat drops, basically, for a couple of seconds here and just see how they sound. And wow, these are strong. That bass hits hard. Man, I can't even tell how loud I'm talking. I sound like I'm talking into a fan. All I can say is wow. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right, all right. Wow. For a $40 pair of earbuds, these things are ridiculous. I mean, these things sound awesome. And these things have no distortion. Just all bass, man. It's all bass. And then you have that nice treble and clarity. I hear no noise, no static, no breakup. Now, for a bass test, if you like to hear a bass, I got you. All right, so if you like bass, I found this right here, the copyright bass. So yeah, if you want to make everybody mad around you, then here you go. So I got these here, not quite as loud because these things hit hard. So just go ahead and play this here for just a couple seconds. Dang. That sounds amazing. Y'all got to hear this. I'm telling you, if I could let y'all hear this. All right. If y'all could hear what I'm hearing right now, y'all be thinking $40 for this pair of headset. Man, you find a steal, okay? These things are crazy. Bass is hitting, the highs are hitting. I mean, everything is just sounding very even. So I want to pull up my video for latency and see if there's any latency going on between my voice and the video. Okay, so I got one of my videos here pulled up. Let's go ahead and play and check for latency. Okay, so whenever I first started with playing the video, I noticed a hint of latency lag. Okay, not bad at all, just so minute. But as the video played, it actually caught back up and everything sounded fine. The voice matched the mouth, so everything was doing fine on that. So like I said, a little bit of latency that I did see, but overall did just fine. So like I said, you know, I'm not gonna go through all the other stuff because it's gone on too long as it is. But whenever you take one of them out of your ear, it does stop playing. Let's see how long it takes to disconnect back into here. So if I show you right here, I got one of them pulled out. You will see right here that it is still connected. I pop it back in there and it's still connected. So it's going to work just fine if you only have one in your ear. And of course, the other one, dropping it in, closing it up. See how long it takes to disconnect. And there you go. Disconnected, opening back up. And they're connected again. So they are really quick. They are really fast to connect to your phone. Disconnected again. And the audio sound coming from this $40 pair of Walmart branded ONN earbuds here. I mean, if you look at them, Like I said, they look just like the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. I mean, they actually call them the, the Bing shape and all, and it looks just like them. And honestly, I mean, for $40, the sound is really good, and I recommend them. Now, I have not had a chance to really test out battery life in its fullest yet. However, I will be doing that and everything else. And if any problems arise, then I will let y'all know. But that was the unboxing, review, and sound test there of the ONN Grooves Bings earbuds. Okay, I'll leave links down below in the description. If you're interested in buying a pair of these, they sound phenomenal to me. They sound great. They're comfortable. Bass thumps really, really hard. If you had an equalizer on your phone like Dolby or increase your bass, oh my goodness, I can about imagine how that would sound. If you can increase your bass even more than it does right now. The trebles are there, the mids are there. I mean, it just sounds good. Don't sound muddy. I mean, the hits are hard. So that's all I got right now. If it's helpful and informative in any way, hit that like button. Any questions you may have, leave it down below. And if you're new here and you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing, clicking that bell on for all notifications for future videos. I would appreciate it. Y'all have a good one, and thanks for watching.